morning light I see your face, a golden glow in this sacred place. Love is a river that forever flows, guiding the weary where the warm breeze blows. Hold my hand and let your worries fade, 'cause Jah Jah bless the love we've made. Every heartbeat whispers truth and fire, a melody that lifts us higher. Oh, we rise like the heart of the rising sun, shining through the storm till the battle is won. Love is the reason, love is the drum, beat it for life until the kingdom come. Oh, we rise. Oh, we rise.
I feel the spirit dancing in the breeze, soft like a whisper moving through the trees. You give me courage when the night grows cold, a peaceful flame that never gets old. Strength of a woman, roots so deep, guarding the love that we vow to keep. In every shadow I will hold your light, turn the darkness into morning bright.
Oh, we rise like the heart of the rising sun, shining through the storm till the battle is won. Love is the reason, love is the drum, beat it for life until the kingdom come. Oh, we rise. Oh, we rise. Let the rhythm wash your fears away, let the heartbeat guide your way. In every step, in every breath, love conquer all, even death. Stand firm like Zion mountain tall. Together we rise, we never fall.
No chains can hold this love we share, it's freedom living in the open air. Every soul deserves a place to rest, and every heart deserves its best. So keep on shining with the fire inside, hold me close to the rising tide. For in your smile I see Jah's plan, love to heal every woman and man.
Oh, we rise like the heart of the rising sun, shining through the storm till the battle is won. Love is the reason, love is the drum, beat it for life until the kingdom come. Oh, we rise. Oh, we rise. Love is the key, love set we free, rising higher endlessly.